Back in 1891, riverboat captain Tom Ryman, a converted hellraiser, found salvation and atonement for his sins by building a tabernacle which later became the Mother Church, home of the Grand Ole Opry. You know, there's always been a closeness between country music and gospel music, and more times than not, you'll find that many Opry performers got started singing in church or at prayer meetings. Sometimes in churches that couldn't even afford an organ or a piano, they relied solely on the human voice. Talk about suffering here below, and let's keep a-following Jesus. Talk about suffering here below, and let's keep loving Jesus. The gospel train is coming. Now don't you want to go and leave this world of sorrow and troubles here below? Oh, can't you hear it, Father? Now don't you want to go and leave this world of sorrow and troubles here below? The gospel train is coming. Now don't you want to go and leave this world of sorrow and troubles here below?